Hello, good afternoon, friends. Sorry, I was not known that someone has enabled here waiting room. So you might have got some late, but now I have disabled the waiting room. So hereafter no problem will be there. But many are there, means many handlers are there for this type of work, means we all teachers are hosts here for the same link, and someone don't know who is that person, but he or she enables or disables or changes the settings, so these problems occur. Okay, first of all, as a class coordinator, I want to inform you all that uh, here mm, now the link provided to you for voter ID registration, that should be completed, but I can see uh, many people uh, who have not mm, given their data. What is the problem? May I know? Roll number. One, two, roll number three. Three has not given. Nine. Then roll number 30. These are from division A. Then roll number 67 from division A. And from 69 many are here. Roll number 1, 2 from division B. Roll number 6. Roll number 18, 19, 20, 23, 27, 34, 37, 41, 43, 46, 48, 50, 52, 58. May I know what is the problem in your case? Yes. The roll numbers I have taken just now. What is the problem in your case? It's compulsory to fill this form. So do not delay in this process. It is the data required by university. You will have to put your data there. Otherwise, I will have to provide same data with the authorities, and the problems you will have to face, that you have to take care of them. We will not be responsible for that. Okay. Any doubts are there regarding this? This form is not getting mm, submitted, or in such any such problem is there? Yes, voter ID data. I am asking about voter ID data. Is there any problem? Please do this as early as possible. That is today only. Okay. Actually, yesterday I had to give this data to the authorities, but I couldn't because of few people. So please fill that data and submit it to me. Now we will start with our session. We have seen the relations using the graphs, using the matrices and properties and types of relations. Then what is the inverse of relation? What is domain and range for a relation? And at the very first lecture of relations, we have seen the composition, relations. What are the relations? Relations are from one set to another set defined in a particular manner. Okay. Then relations are in ordered pairs, and relations are a subset of Cartesian product of those two sets on which we are taking the relation. And then the first uh, first elements of each ordered pair are known in the relation are known as domain, and second this one second element of each pair of the relation is known as the range. Then inverse of a relation is uh, exactly opposite of that. Means if a relation R is from A to B, then the inverse relation R dash is there from set B to A. Then types of relation, then properties we have seen: reflexivity, symmetricity, and transitivity. Reflexivity is what? Yes, suppose R is there from R is the relation on set A, then each element of set A will contain the pair as A, B, B in the relation is known as the reflexivity. Then symmetricity. Symmetricity is what? If in that relation 1, 2 is the pair, ordered pair, 2, 1 must be there. It is the symmetricity. And for what is the transitivity? Transitivity is like that from the relation is from set A to B and then B to C, then there must be a relation from A to C. Means pair, such pair is there, ordered pair in the relation, that is AB, BC, then AC is there, then that relation is transitive relation. These are the main three properties of binary relations. Then this one is relation on matrices. In that, properties are like this: if matrices are there, diagonal elements are 1, then that matrix or relation is reflexive. Then diagonal elements are 0, then this is irreflexive. Then if symmetricity, for a symmetricity, what is there? Transpose of the relation matrix is equal to original relation matrix, then that relation R is symmetric. And if it is not there, then it is asymmetric. Then the relation R is antisymmetric. if either Mij is equal to 0 or Mji is equal to 0 when I is not equal to j. In that case, if suppose M12 is 0 or M21 is 0, then this relation is antisymmetric. And these two join and meet properties, relation 5 and 6, that you are going to tell me at the end of this chapter. Okay, I left these bits for you people. Meet and join, that you are going to tell me what is join and what is meet for the matrix first. Okay, you just tell me what it is, then I will explain you in case of relation. Okay, this is the homework. Any one of you have done? Yes. केलंय कुणी जॉईन प्रॉपर्टी मीट प्रॉपर्टी? Okay, we'll move further. Then we have seen the relations as directed graphs. Here relation can be shown with the graph which is directed like this. Reflexive relation means again this all the elements should have loops to themselves. It is nothing but the reflexive relation. Then all elements should have pairs like BC and CB. Then it will be symmetric relation. But AB is there, BA is not there. CA is there, AC is not there. So it is not a symmetric relation. And for what is there for transitivity, A to B is there, B to C is there. But A to C is not there, C to A is there, but A to C is not there. So the relation is not transitive also. Then the important part comes as composition of relations. Okay, what is there? Composition of relations. Let A, B, and C be the sets, and let R be the relation from set A to B, and let S be the relation from set B to C. That is, R is a subset of A cross B, and S is a subset of B cross C. Then R and S give rise to a relation from A to C indicated by R composite S. Okay, R composite S. Composite we write by a hollow circle. Okay, just a hollow circle. Small circle is there, and that is nothing but composite relation it indicates. Okay, A of R composite S C. If for B belongs to B, we have A R B and B S C. Okay, A आणि C हे रिलेशन कुणामुळे आहे? B मुळे आहे. ओके, A आणि C हे कंपोजिट रिलेशन कुणामुळे आहे? B मुळे आहे. त्यामध्ये कसे रिलेशन्स आहेत? R हे रिलेशन A आणि B चं आहे, आणि S हे रिलेशन B आणि C चं आहे. आणि त्या ते B कॉमन असल्यामुळे A आणि C चं रिलेशन आहे. ओके, getting? So R composite S is a set of A, C such that there exists B belongs to set B for which AB belongs to R and BC belongs to S. Okay. See what is here. Set A is there and set B is there. Okay. And set C is there. Okay. Then in these two, relation is R. Okay. In these two, relation is S. Then what is there? We can say from A to C, we want the relation. What we are going to do there is then R composite S is from A to C. Okay. A to B is R, B to C is S, and R composite A S is from A to C. Okay. A to C. It is because of this B only. Okay. This B is there, which is common in both. So we can write like R composite S for A and C. All of you got the concept of this? Here, what will be there next? The relation R composite S is known as composition of R and S. It is sometimes denoted simply by RS. Let R is a relation on set A, that is R is a relation from a set A to itself. Okay, then R composite R, the composition of R with itself is always represented. Okay, R composite R. Also, R composite R is sometimes denoted by R square. Similarly, R cube is equal to R square composite R, and so on. Okay, R composite R, and so on. Thus, R raised to n is defined for all positive n's. Okay, means what this saying is a relation R can be defined on set A many times. Okay, n times we can give there the relation on a particular set. Okay, example here taken is, we already have gone through it, but for your betterment we are giving it. X here is 4, 5, 6 and Y is ABC. Okay, and Y is ABC and Z is LMN. The given relations R1 and R2 are like this. R1 here is like this and R2 here is like this. We can give it with the help of arrows. Then what we have to take out is R1 composite R2. This is R1 composite R2. So how we are going to calculate that? R1 composite R2. I'll explain it in Marathi, okay? Now, so that you will get 4 to A. Okay, 4A ही जी पहिली आपली पेअर आहे ते आपण कशी करणार आहे 4a. ओके, आणि मग इथं y चालू होतोय. a पासून काय येणार आहे 4a to l आणि a to n. सो आपल्या पेअर्स काय असणार आहेत 4l आणि 4n. ओके, these two are relations to be composite. Okay, what will be there 4a is our line, so 4l will be there and 4n will be there. Okay, as the composite of these two relations. त्याच्यानंतर 4b हा सुद्धा ऑप्शन आहे आपल्याकडे. मग b पासून कुठले कुठले जातात इथं z पर्यंत bl आणि bm. ओके, म्हणजे आपण काय लिहू शकतो 4l आणि 4m. 4l आपल्याकडे ऍक्च्युली आहे कारण 4al आपण ऑलरेडी घेतलेलं होतं. तर 4bl ओके हे आपण घेऊ शकतो. सो 4l is already there and second is 4bm. 4m ही पेअर नवीन आहे, सो आपण 4m आपण ऍड करणार. ओके, now we will go for this one 5. Okay, 5 is there, it goes to C only. Okay, 5C. Now from C what combinations are there CL, CM and CN. Okay, so what we can write is there is 5L, 5M and 5N. Getting? Now 6A. 6A is the one pair. Now A goes from A to L and A to N. So we can write it like 6L, 6N. Okay, and second line goes to 6C. Okay, from C again all these three are there CL, CM and CN. In that 6L is already covered from B. 6CN is also already covered from A, and 6B, 6M is already covered by B. Okay, so our composite relation will be like this in this diagram 4A L, so 4L will be there, 4AN, 4N will be there, 4BL, 4L is already there, we will neglect it, 4BM, 4M will be there, then 5CL, 5L will be there, 5CM, 5M will be there, 5CN, 5N will be there. Then for 6A L, so 6L will be there, 6AN, so 6N will be there, then 6CL. Okay, we considered second arrow of 6 from 6 to C. C to L is there, but we already contain 6L, so we'll neglect it. Then 6CM. Okay, 6M is also to be added, 6M, and 6CN. 6N is already there with 6AN. So we take all these pairs as R1 composite R2. Getting the composite relation? Have you solved the example on composite relation? Just tell me. Praveen, roll number 40 from division A. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Example solve केले का तुम्ही composite relation वरचं? म्हणजे कोणालाच मी सांगितलंय का, मी जस्ट विचारतेय तुम्हाला, एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह करायला दिलेलं आहे का? दिलंय का?
नो मॅम.
नो मॅम.
ओके ओके. Now, secondly, what we wanted to calculate was R1 composite, R1 inverse. Okay. R1 काय आहे आपलं? 4 to A, 4 to B, 5 to C, 6 to A आणि 6 to C. ओके. ह्याचं इन्व्हर्स काय असणार आहे? A to 4, A to 6, B to 4, C to 5 आणि C to 6. ओके. इट इज द इन्व्हर्स आणि त्याचा आपल्याला कॉम्पोजिट रिलेशन पाहायचं आता. See here how it will be. 4 to A, A to 4, 4 to B, B to 4, 5 to C, C to 5, 6 to A, A to 6, and 6 to C, C to 6. Okay. Now we have to consider composite relation of all this. Okay. 4A and A to 4. So 4, 4 will be the pair. Here we can see. Then 4B, B to 4. So 4, 4 will again the pair there. And we have included it once. So we will write it once only. Okay. Then 5C, 5. Okay. 5C, 5. So 5, 5 will be there. Okay. It is there 5, 5. Then 5C, 6. 5C, 6. So 5, 6 will be there. Here we can see. Then in case of this 6, 6A, 4. So 6, 4 will be there. Then 6C, 6A, 6. Then 6, 6 will be there. Here we can see. Same 6C, 5. Then 6, 5 will be there. And 6C, 6. This 6, 6 only be there. Okay. How about 4 to 6 is also there. 4 to A and A to 6. So 4, 6 also will be there. You got the composite of relation. Okay. Simpler one. Now with the help of matrices, we are going to see this. Okay. There is another way of finding R composite S. Okay, there is another way of finding R composite S. Let MR and MS denote respectively the matrix representations of the relations R and S. Then P is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let P is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. Consider the relation R and S on P defined by, okay, P is our set on which R and S are defined like this: 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4, 3, 5, 4, 5, and 5, 3 are the relation R. And what will be the S relation S? It is defined like 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 4, 3, 5, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 5, 2, 5, 5. Okay. Now find the matrices of the above relations. Use matrices to find the following composition of the relation R and S. हे जे रिलेशन्स दिलेले आहेत ते आपण असे सुद्धा सॉल्व्ह करू शकतो. काय काय काढायचं त्यामध्ये? R composite S, R composite R आणि S composite R. ओके, पण इथं काय सांगितलंय त्यांनी, मॅट्रायसिस यूज करायचे. कॉम्पोजिशन साठी काय यूज करायचंय, मॅट्रायसिस. ते कसे यूज करणार आहेत आपण, लेट अस सी हिअर. The matrices of relation R and S are shown in figure. Okay, इथं ज्या व्हॅल्यूज दिलेल्या आहेत R आणि S, त्याच्यावरून हे मॅट्रिक्स आपण डिझाइन केले. 2 3 4 5 2 3 4 5 आणि MS पण 2 3 4 5 2. हा आहे R रिलेशनचा मॅट्रिक आणि हा आहे S रिलेशनचा मॅट्रिक्स. ओके, ज्या काही पेअर्स दिलेल्या आहेत 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5, then 3 4 3 5 4 5 and 5 3. Okay, this is a relation R. And what is relation S? 2 3 2 5 3 4 3 5 4 2 4 3 4 5 5 2 and 5 5. Okay, these are the two matrices. To obtain the composition of relation R and S, first multiply matrix R with matrix S to obtain the matrix MR cross MS. Means we have to find the multiplication of these two matrices as shown in figure. The non-zero entries in the matrix MR cross MS tells us the elements related to R cross S. Okay, what is relation there we can see. काय करायचंय आपल्याला, MR क्रॉस MS. आपल्याला काय ऑब्टेन करायचंय, कॉम्पोजिट रिलेशन R क्रॉस S. ओके, वी हॅव टू फाइंड रिलेशन थ्रू मॅट्रिसेस R क्रॉस S. काय काय असणार आहे, सी हिअर. आता मल्टिप्लिकेशन करायचं. मल्टिप्लिकेशन म्हणजे काय करतो आपण, मॅट्रिक्सचं जे काही रिस्पेक्टिव्ह एलिमेंट्स असतील त्याचे हे करतो. ओके, मल्टिप्लिकेशन. हाऊ इट कम्स देअर, मल्टिप्लिकेशन कसं करतो मॅट्रिसेसचं. येस, आठवतंय का 12वीचं मॅथ्स. मल्टिप्लिकेशन कसं करतात,
फर्स्ट रो सेकंड,
फर्स्ट रो
फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम,
फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम. त्याचं काय करायचं,
मल्टिप्लिकेशन करून ऍडिशन एलिमेंट्स.
Sum of multiplication of first row, first column.
Exactly. Sum of multiplication of first row, first column. So this is the matrix we are getting with the multiplication of these two matrices. Okay, MR and MS. Sum of multiplication of first row, first column. Okay, then sum of multiplication of second row, first column, like this. All these elements are there. Now what is relation, their criteria for the relation between composite relation of R and S. Okay, what they have said there, हे काय आले, या दोन MR आणि MS चं मल्टिप्लिकेशन आले, MR क्रॉस MS. ओके, 2 2 1 4 2 1 0 2 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 1. ओके, मग त्यामध्ये काय असतं, ज्या काही नॉन झिरो एंट्रीज आहेत या मॅट्रिक्स मध्ये, मल्टिप्लिकेशन मॅट्रिक्स मध्ये ज्या काही नॉन झिरो आहेत एंट्रीज, त्या म्हणजे काय कन्सिडर केल्या जातात, दीज वन रिलेशन्स, कॉम्पोजिट रिलेशन्स. ओके, म्हणजे ही झिरो आहे का, नाहीये. सो what the relation will be there, 2, 2. Okay, 2, 2. Here we have taken. Then this is a non-zero entry. So 2, 3 will be the composite relation. This is also the non-zero. So 2, 4 will be the composite relation. This is also non-zero. Then 2, 5 will be the composite relation. Getting? To obtain the composition of relation R and S, first multiply MR with MS to obtain the matrix MR cross MS as shown in figure. The non-zero entries in the matrix MR cross MS tells us the elements related to R cross S. Okay. जिथं झिरो आहे त्या एंट्रीज पकडायच्या नाही. ज्या एंट्रीज नॉन झिरो आहेत त्या म्हणजे कॉम्पोजिशन रिलेशन मध्ये येणार. ओके. 2, 4, 2, 5 will be there. Then 3, 2 will be there. 3, 3 will also be there. Then 3, 4 will not be there because it is 0. 3, 5 will be there. 4, 2 will be there because it is non-zero. It is 0, it is 0. So 4, 3, 4, 4 will not be there. 4, 5 will be there because it is what we can say, it is non-zero. Again, this is 0, this is 0. 5, 4, it will be here, and 5, 5, it also will be here. Okay. So what we get here is the composite relation with the help of matrices. Just what we have to do is multiplication of two matrices and the non-zero entries there that we have to put in the composite relation. It is nothing but the composite relation with the help of these two these two matrices. Multiplication of these two matrices is here, and non-zero entries we are taking for the composite relation. Then what the next relation we have to calculate is R cross R. Okay. For R cross R, what we have to do is multiply that matrix MR by itself. Multiply that matrix MR by itself. It gives this matrix 1, 2, 2, 3, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Okay. Then how the relation R composite R will be written there? 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5. 3, 3, 3, 5. Because these are 0. 3, 2 and 3, 4 are 0. So 3, 3 will be there, 3, 5 will be there. 4, 2 is 0, it will not be there. 4, 3 is 1. So 4, 3 is there in this relation. 4, 3. 4, 4 and 4, 5 will not be there. Then again 5, 2, 5, 3 will not be there. Only 5, 4 and 5, 5 will be there. Okay. It is the R composite R. काय केलं R composite R साठी आपण R composite R साठी काय केलं? R हा matrix multiplied by itself. Matrix R is multiplied by itself to get the composition R cross, R composite R. Now what we have to calculate is S composite R. Okay, S composite R. For that, what we have to do is, for S composite R, we have to multiply matrix MS with MR. See, it's different. It's not same MR cross MS or MS cross MR, because R and S are two different relations there we have to deal with. So what we have to means cross product by Cartesian product we already know. So they are having the different orders. So MR cross MS is different from MS cross MR. So first we have to calculate MS cross MR, and then these will be the values there, and from that we will consider the composition S composite R. Getting S composite R. Uh, I will dictate you one example that you have to solve with matrices. Okay. Take the example. Suppose the set A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And relation R is 1, 3. 1, 4. 2, 1. 2, 2. 3, 4 and 4, 2. Okay. Okay. I have this relation R. So what I will, मी तुम्हाला जी डायग्रामची पद्धत आहे त्याच्यानुसार मी तुम्हाला ड्रॉ करून दाखवेन. मला काय कॅल्क्युलेट करायचंय? R composite R inverse. Okay. R composite R inverse I want to draw. Okay. So A R is I have is 1, 3. I want big size of what R inverse will be. Tell me. R inverse. Exactly opposite of this. Okay. In that 3, 1. Next pair will be 4, 1. In that, next pair will be 1, 2. Next will be 2, 2. Next will be 4, 3. And the last will be 2, 4. Okay. And what I want is R composite R dash, okay, or R inverse. One, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. R is the relation on set A itself. So it is set A. Again, we have to take set A 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3 is there. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then 1 to 4 is also there. 1, 2, 4. Then 2 to 1 is there. 2 to 1. Then 2 to 2 is there. 2 to 2. Next is 3 to 4. 3 to 4. And 2, 4 to 2. 4 to 2. Now again, R inverse. It is R. Okay. R inverse is again with A only. So there we also we will write like 1, 2, 3, 4. What is R inverse? 3 to 1. Four to 1. Then 1 to 2. 2 to 2. Then 4 to 3. And 2 to 4. Okay. This is R inverse. Okay. All 3 times I have taken only set A because I have to taken relation R on set A, R inverse also on set A. Only single set is used here. Now, how I will write this R composite R dash? It will be like R composite R dash. Okay, means R inverse, R composite R inverse will be like, see here now. 1 to 3 is there and 3 to 1 is there. So 1, 1 will be the pair. what the next pair will be? 1 to 4 is there and 4 to 1 is there, but 1 1 is already considered. 1 to 4 is there and 4 to 3 is there. So 1 3 will be the next pair. Next one. 2 to 1 is there and 1 to 2 is there. Okay, so 2 2 will be the pair. Two will be the next pair. Then what will be there? 2 to 2 is there and 2 to 2 is there, but 2 to we already have taken. Then 2 to 2 and 2 to 4 is there. So next pair will be 2 4. Then 3 to 4 is there. Okay, 3 to 4 is there and 4 to 1 is there and 4 to 3 is there. So what the relation will be? 3 1 and 3 3. 3 1 and next relation will be 3 comma 3. Okay, and 4 is the remaining pair. 4 2 and 2 to 2 is there and 2 to 4 is there. So 4 2 will be one pair. 4 comma 2 will be one pair. Comma 2 and 4 comma 4 will be the last pair. Okay, so 1 1 1 3 2 2 2 4 3 1 3 3 4 2 4 4. These are the composite relations on R and R inverse. Okay, what did we get? Only set A was there on which we defined the relation R, and from that we calculated R inverse, and then we took the composite of two relations R composite R dash. Okay, it is with the help of this diagram. Now what your task is? Yes, your task is to perform it with the help of matrices. Okay, I think our time is up. We'll stop here. Put your attendance in chat box only once, don't repeat it, and do your homework. Take the same relation as I have seen you. Take the same example of A, and with the help of matrices, define the relation R composite R inverse. Okay.
हॅलो मॅम.
Yes.
मॅम ह्या चॅप्टरच्या नोट्स सेंड करा ना.
येस येस, माझा हा चॅप्टर कंप्लीट झाला की मी करते, उद्या किंवा परवा करते.
ओके मॅम.
हे आर हे रिलेशन आहे तुमचं. ए हा सेट 1 2 3 4 रिलेशन आहे. 1 3 1 4 2 1 2 2 3 4 4 2. We have to perform the operation R composite R inverse with the help of matrices. Okay. Put your attendance in the chat box and you can leave the meeting.